Here we have a popular repair to ladies jeans. Happens with a lot of the ladies jeans because they have a bit of stretch in them and they tend to break away on the pocket edges. You can see it's just happening there, it's just happening in the bottom corner there, but obviously it's really bad on this side. It's all broke away there. You can obviously see when I go up close. If I pull it, it's a really bad rip. You can imagine when wearing them, obviously it's quite embarrassing. So we are going to be removing all of these threads, and then we'll put some new fabric on the inside, and then we're going to be doing all the oversew work to the top areas to hide all this and sort them out for get them all nice repaired and reinforced. And we're going to do a bit of a similar work, not quite as much sewing on this side as well, just to stop this from blowing out as well. It does happen with gents jeans as well now and again when they've got elastin in them, but mainly it is on women's jeans that I tend to see more on these pocket edges where it goes up here and round here and stuff like that. So if you need any repairs doing like this, drop me a DM and I'll give you a quote, or drop me an email. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Thank you.